The date. Written the date.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll just repeat the above para. Okay, all right, he said, but mommy, all the other little animals ran away, and she said, I don't care, you smell the way a little skunk should have, and I'm going to take you right back to that wizard. And she took an umbrella and went back with Roger Skunk and hit that wizard right over the head. No, Joe said, and put her hand out to touch his lips, yet even in her agitation did not quite dare to stop the source of truth. Inspiration came to her, then the wizard hit her on the head and did not change that little skunk back. Okay. And now, no, Joe says, and she put her hand out to touch his lips, sorry, and yet even in her agitation did not, this I have done, I think so, no? I did it. I had done this parameter.
No, ma'am.
Acha, I did not
No,
do.
ma'am.
Okay. So somewhat an inspiration, it came into the mind of that little girl, and she says to her father that the wizard hit her on the head and did not change that little skunk back. और आगे वो स्टोरी कंटिन्यू करती है कि उसके बाद विजार्ड ने मैजिक वॉन्ड लिया और मामा को हिट करा and she did not change the body smell. No, he said, the wizard said okay, and Roger Skunk did not smell of roses anymore. He smelled very bad again. लेकिन father कहते हैं कि no, this thing did not happen, है ना? Wizard बड़े काम होके कहता है okay fine, and then Roger Skunk did not smell of roses anymore, means the body smell, it was changed and he got the original one here. Okay, he smelled very bad again. But the other little Amun, oh John, it's daddy's story. Okay, now she's interrupting a lot, and this it is not liked by father, right? और वो बार बार बीच में इंटरप्ट करती है, फादर को पसंद नहीं आता है. तो उसके फादर उसको टोकते हैं, कहते हैं जॉन, इट्स डैडी स्टोरी, शैल डैडी नॉट टेल यू एनी मोर स्टोरीज. Her broad face looked at him through shifted light, astounded. Shifted is the dim light. You can write down the dim lights that were there, that was coming through the partitions through the window. This is what happened. Then आगे वो continue करता है. Then Roger Skunk and his mommy went home and they heard woo woo, and it was the choo choo train bringing Daddy Skunk home from Boston, and they had lima bean, celery, liver, mashed potatoes and pie. Oh my, for dessert. Okay. और फिर फादर जो है वो कहते हैं कि नहीं, it so happened that both of them went home. Why? Because it was the time for father to return, and then they had their supper, and he describes all lima bean, celery. You know, lima beans is what? An edible. It is whitish beans होती हैं. Okay, bean होती हैं. Beans हम सब खाते हैं ना. और sorry बेटा.
So,
So they all, both of them, they rushed home. Why? Because it was the time for father to return, and then they had the supper and pie they had for the dessert. Okay. And then when Roger Skunk was in bed, okay, when Roger Skunk, he went to sleep, Mama Skunk came up and hugged him and said he smelled like a little baby skunk again. Now she was very happy, and she loved him a lot, and she said, of course, now it is like somewhat an original skunk, you know, whose body smell is really very bad. Earlier, she did not like that baby skunk should lose its originality, okay? And then she loves her, and that's the end of the story. ओके। और फिर मम्मा आके बहुत प्यार करती है उसको, कहती है अब लग रहा है रियल स्कंक, और फादर कहते हैं नाउ दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी. But daddy watched, then did the other little animals run away? Now see, she is very curious, you know, कि भाई other animals they ran away because of the body smell, है ना. तो अब वो कह रही है did the other animals they ran away? Why? Because again he started smelling very bad. No, because eventually they got used to the way he was and did not mind it at all, है ना. नहीं, वो कहते हैं eventually क्या हुआ, eventually is finally okay. What happens कि in the end they got used to the way he was and did not mind it, okay, at all. कहते हैं वही used to हो गए उसकी body smell के, mind नहीं करे, है ना, कोई नहीं भागता था. They all started playing with him. What's eventually? अब उसको eventually word जो था बेटा वो समझ में नहीं आया, okay? तो उसको थोड़ा मिस प्रोनाउंस करती है. तो वो कहते हैं भाई in a little while, है ना, कुछ ही समय में everybody, you know, they become accustomed to his body smell. That was a stupid mommy. See, she did not like the act that was done by mommy, okay. First and foremost, she did not like this, that mommy, she hit Wizard with the umbrella, because the daughter thought that Wizard was a good man, okay, who had changed the body smell of Roger's skunk, and he smelled very beautiful, very awesome. Okay? He had the smell of roses, and that is why everybody, you know, all the baby animals, they started playing with him. तो कहती है that was a stupid mommy. It was not, he said with rare emphasis, okay, with some kind of emphasis, force. And believe from her expression that she realized he was defending his own mother to her or something as odd. Now I want you to put your big heavy head in the pillow and have a good long nap. He adjusted the shade so not even a crack of day showed, and tiptoed to the door in the pretense that she was already asleep. But when he turned, she was crouching on top of the covers, staring at him. Hey, get under the covers and fall fast asleep. Bobby is asleep. Now what happened, beta? When Jack, he just explains him the meaning of eventually, okay? And he says, yes, everybody started liking him because now they had become accustomed to his body smell. So Joe thought that whatever mommy did, it was not good, you know, it was not a right act, and said that she was a stupid mother who had hit the wizard, you know, who had put the smell of roses into Roger's body, you know, and now as he did not smell awful, okay. But Jack, you know, she did not like this oppression that was oppressed by a little girl. She did not like it, and he thought that it is related to himself, and is trying to defend his own mother. And then Jack told Joe that he wanted her to take a long day nap. Getting it? अब उसको क्या लगता है that now he said that see, it was not, he said with rare emphasis, it was not means he did not like the idea that Joe, she is opposing him and she's taking favor of mommy. Oh, sorry, she's taking favor of wizard, okay? तो कहता है no, you know, she was not a stupid mommy. And उसको ये realize हुआ little girl को, he was defending his own mother to her or something as odd, है ना. तो उसको ये realize हुआ कि father जो है वो defend करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं अपनी खुद की माँ को, या और कोई odd expressions उनका है. He had some other expressions, okay. और now I want, okay, अब father को बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद आया और वो थोड़ा सा angered हो जाता है, and he says to the daughter that now the story is completed and he doesn't want to argue with her her and just says a blunt no, he says, and then he orders her that he wants her to put her big heavy head under the pillow and just go to sleep. And then he adjusted the shade, uh, so that not even a single crack of light, okay, एक ray of light, एक रोशनी की किरण, it should enter the room, so that there should be complete darkness. And he instructs the daughter to go to sleep, as the little boy, baby boy, he was also sleeping. So as soon as she lies on the bed, put her head on the pillow, he goes back. He just moves out of the room, and as he was moving out, he turns back, looks at the daughter, but sees that she was crouching on top of the covers, means she was sitting there on the bed and staring at him. Or father ko stare karti, why she was not able to digest this idea कि why that mommy she hit the wizard, okay. तो उसको जोर से कहते हैं, father, hey, get under the covers and fall fast asleep, Bobby is asleep. She stood up. Getting it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She stood up and bounced gingerly on the springs. Daddy, springs is on the bed. Gingerly means in a very careful or a cautious manner. Okay. She just tries to bounce. She just tries to jump. Okay. जैसे बच्चे they jump on the bed ना. Similarly, she jumped on the bed. What tomorrow? I want you to tell me the story that that wizard took that magic wand and hit that mommy. Her plump arms chopped forcefully right over the head. समझ में आया? She was not able to sleep and she was not able to digest कि mommy ने उसको क्यों मारा. Okay? तो वो कहती है फादर को, tomorrow I want you to tell me the story जिसमें wizard took the magic wand and he hit that mommy and did not change the smell of roses. वो ये चाहती है. Right over the head, okay? Mommy ने right over the head hit करा था ना, same should be done by wizard. Getting it? No, that is not the story. The point is that the little skunk loved his mommy more than he loved all the other little animals, and she knew what was right. समझ में आया? अब वो father जो है बेटा, he just wants to tell tell the daughter कि by the story, it is giving us a message that the little skunk, he loved his parents a lot. He loved his mommy a lot, more than his friends, more than any other animals, okay, in the woods. Clear? And that his mother knew very well what was right for him and what was not. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, फादर उसको कन्विंस करना चाहते हैं, मतलब एक तरह का मैसेज दे रहे हैं कि उस बच्चे को किसी और की परवाह नहीं थी. That child, he cared for his parents, okay. Whatever the parents like, he did it very happily. He did it, okay, and he loved his parents the most than his friends, okay, than the little animals. और उसको लगा कि whatever mom was doing, it was right. No, tomorrow you say he hit that mommy, do it. Okay. Then जो बच्ची है वो वापस आर्ग्यू करती है कि नहीं. Okay, this is not right. Tomorrow you are going to do it. Yani again, tomorrow you are going to tell me the story in which wizard hit mommy. Okay, and she kept on insisting, forcing her father. Ki next day he would tell her a story. Okay, he would have to tell. यानी जबरदस्ती insist करती रही कि बोलनी ही पड़ेगी. Okay, कौन सी story? The one she wanted, in which wizard hit mommy. Now what happens? No, tomorrow you say he hit that mommy, do it. She kicked her legs up and sat down on the bed with a great heave होता with a great effort, sigh and complain of springs. Okay. एक sigh, एक आह भरी उसने आज. She took a long breath और फिर complain of springs. Lot of complaints she started making. मतलब she started making tantrums. She started throwing tantrums और कई बार, as she had done hundreds of times, कई बार उसने इस तरह के टेंट्रम्स करे थे, except that this one she did not laugh. और अभी तो she was serious and she did not laugh. पहले करती थी तो she used to laugh. Say daddy now again. She insists her father कि daddy बोलिए आप, है ना, कि this will be the story next day. Well, we will see now. At least Everett, stay on the bed. You are a good girl. Okay, the father, he tries to avoid the daughter. Okay, fine, then we will see. Okay, now you just take rest. Good girl, like a good girl, take rest, go to sleep. He closed the door and went downstairs. Claire had spread the newspaper and opened the paint can, and wearing an old shirt on his top of a maternity smock as a gown, was stroking the chair rail with a dipped brush. Above him, footsteps vibrated, and he called, John, shall I come there and spank you? Spank you, got it? Slap you. The footsteps hesitated. Okay? And then like a good girl, बहुत अच्छा सा एक comment उसको compliment देते हैं कि yes, you're a good girl, come on, go to sleep. And then he goes downstairs, and there he saw his wife, she was all alone painting the walls of the living room, and she had already opened the paint can and she had spread the newspapers. She was wearing an old shirt, a long gown type, maternity gown type over his dress, and she was just scraping the chair rail. Suddenly, the father, he heard the footsteps were moving above. Okay, ऐसा लगा कि somebody is moving. Who was moving? The daughter. Okay, और वहीं से वो चिल्लाते हैं अपनी बेटी को, स्कूल करते हैं कि John, should I come and beat you up? Should I come and slap you up? और जैसे ही आवाज ऊपर जाती है, the footsteps, they hesitated, means the footsteps, they started disappearing. Now the sound was very low, means the daughter might have climbed the bed, okay, might have jumped on the bed. That was a long story. Okay, अब क्लेरे जो है वो काफी टाइम से she might be waiting, तो वो एक तरह का कमेंट देती है और कहती है it was a too long story that he was telling. जो तो फादर जो है वो रिप्लाई करते हैं, yes, the poor kid, yes, the poor kid, I have to tell her, poor यहाँ गरीब नहीं होगा बेचारा. Okay, yes, can't help it, the poor kid has to be told the story. He answered, and with utter weariness is the tiredness. Watch his wife labor. The woodwork, a cage of moldings and rails and baseboards all spreading around, was half old tan and half new ivory, and he felt caught in an ugly middle position, and though he as well felt his wife's presence in the cage with him, he did not want to speak with her, work with her, touch her, anything. And now he was feeling very tired, and he just sat down. Okay, he did not start helping his wife. He sat down and he watched his wife doing all the painting work and all, and then he started looking at all the things that were lying. The room had become a big mess. Okay, woodwork था चारों तरफ, और वो ऐसे ही चीजों को he started relating to his life. ठीक है, and he was just looking at it, और ये सोच रहा था कि both of them, means Jack and his wife, they were caught in a cage, एक cage में फंस गए, like a situation in their marriage, and there was no solution of it. Okay, and now both of them, they did not want to talk to anybody, nor they wanted to touch. Okay, now he wanted to touch her now. He was not in the mood of doing anything. He had become maybe quite upset, okay, on listening to the contradict statement of his daughter. How daughter, he wanted that whatever parents did, according to her, that was not right. But Josh, this man, sorry, Jack, he wanted to give a message to his daughter that for children, parents must be on the top priority than other people. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, beta. अब question answers करेंगे हम. Okay?
Thank
Yes,
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
God bless you, children. God